Forests are essential for life. We depend on them for food, water, fuel and medicines, and they play a vital role in regulating our climate.
Asia, Africa and Latin America have the richest forests in the world.
Every year, tropical rainforests covering an area the size of Greece are destroyed. Along with the trees go countless species of insects, plants and animals.
The world loses 50 soccer fields of forest every minute, and so we have an urgent need to fight deforestation.
It is agriculture, particularly the production of commodities like palm oil, soy, paper and beef, that drives tropical deforestation. We use these products to wash, to feed ourselves and our families, to build our homes and to heat them. Over the past 40 years, producers have expanded into forested areas to meet the needs of a growing global population.
We must, in the next 10 to 15 years, halt tropical deforestation.
All of us will be affected because forests help regulate climate and shape the world's rainfall patterns.
Deforestation accounts for over 11% of all greenhouse gases, more than the entire transport sector.
What's particularly important is the fact that deforestation is leading to climate change.
Deforestation in Southeast Asia will affect food harvests in the United States, in India, China. It can be done. Brazil has cut its rate of deforestation by 70%, while at the same time increasing food production by nearly half.
A Amazônia brasileira já chegou a ter 29 mil quilômetros quadrados de desmatamento por ano, e hoje nós estamos na faixa de 5 mil quilômetros quadrados. Nós reduzimos 80%, e se depender de mim, eu ainda entrego com 90% a redução do desmatamento, considerando nossas metas globais.
They've shown us that we can have both. We can protect forests and increase food supply.
Many forested countries are developing plans to slow deforestation.
Countries with tropical forests need to take public policy action to protect and restore their natural forests.
Pemerintah mempunyai kewajiban untuk keluar dengan berbagai macam kebijakan untuk bisa menanggulangi masalah penggundulan hutan.
We know this is not easy to do. We must all support them. As donors, we need to generate larger and more predictable funding to pay for the reductions in forest-related emissions.
Deforestasi ini harus dilakukan penanggulangannya secara bekerja sama, karena pemerintah sendiri tidak bisa melakukannya, swasta sendiri juga tidak bisa melakukannya.
We are partnering with the consumer goods forums and the incredible reach of the supply chains of very, very large corporations that touch all parts of the world.
The more than 400 companies of the Consumer Goods Forum, representing well over $3 trillion of revenues, have pledged to eliminate deforestation from their supply chains. The financial sector, most importantly, is also getting involved through the Banking Environment Initiative. Major producers of commodities like Wilmar, Golden Agri Resources, Asia Pulp and Paper, and Cargill have committed to eliminate deforestation from all their operations.
We have already embraced the value of conserving the forest and for the sustainable growth of the timber industry itself. But GARD cannot do this alone. We need a multi-stakeholder, including the government, the private sector, the civil society.
And that is exactly why the Tropical Forest Alliance has been created. A global public-private partnership involving the companies of the Consumer Goods Forum, the governments of Norway, the Netherlands, the UK, the US, Indonesia, Liberia, as well as dozens of NGOs. The goal of the Tropical Forest Alliance is to help business remove deforestation from its entire supply chain, whilst at the same time promoting the economic and social development of the communities concerned.
Governance of land and forests must be participatory, must be transparent, and must be accountable. Therefore, we do need to engage indigenous peoples and other communities who depend on the forests when we are taking decisions about governance.
Tindakan yang harus segera dilakukan adalah segera buat undang-undang, buat mekanisme, ya, siapkan fasilitas dari pemerintah agar masyarakat adat yang melindungi hutan itu mendapatkan perlindungan yang cukup. Itu yang utama.
Their voices, must be heard.
In Africa, deforestation presents different challenges.
My country, Liberia, has seen how the exploitation of natural resources can be used to fuel conflict and corruption, thereby perpetuating poverty. We must make the best use of our land, including protecting forests, restoring degraded lands, and developing both subsistence and commercial agriculture to meet our development needs.
A powerful alliance of business, governments, indigenous peoples, and civil society has come together to sign the New York Declaration to stop the destruction of natural forests and to restore those which have been degraded. To deliver on the Declaration, companies and communities are asking governments to show strong leadership in reaching a new climate agreement in Paris next year. So we invite all stakeholders to join us in this effort by signing on to the New York Declaration on Forests.
I am absolutely convinced that we can succeed in halting deforestation.
We can succeed, and in fact, we have to.
Together, it's possible.
It can be done.
Let's get to work.